going to show you something that will finally wake you up for good. Imagine this is 1 year, this is a decade, and this is what your whole life looks like. From your first birthday cake to the last one on your 90th birthday. It all seems incredibly short, doesn't it? Now let me ask you this. How quickly did last week fly by? In your life, there are this many weeks. Each row represents 1 year. This is how long it takes for a newborn to reach the age of 90. Each cell represents a week, from Monday to Monday. You need to understand that your life is not infinite. These 90 squares are all we have. We're here in this life for a short time. It's just a small slice of the history of all humanity. But what to fill these squares with? That's for you to decide.